Let's try this again. Sorry, Facebook. You know, when I'm stretched over like that, I'm always trying to pin. Hey, Doriel. I'm always trying to pin my topic. How are you? So I'm doing my live stream late. How are things? This morning I had a rough night with my adrenals yesterday, so I didn't even feel like waking up this morning to do my detox drink. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it. I don't blame you. I'm gonna be in bed hopefully before 10. But let me get the cutter. Yeah, my adrenals was acting up pretty much most of the night, so I didn't go to sleep till maybe 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. And I said, there's no way I'm waking up at 7 o'clock to do a live stream. So I decided, let me go ahead and do it at night. Since I get a lot of people that ask me if they can do the detox drink at night, I figured I'll just show them. And those that are not on, they could watch on the replay. So I'm gonna make this, keep it sweet and simple. Must be sliding up this way. I'm pooped. Yeah. I realize I've been pushing myself a little bit too much, and I know why my adrenals are acting up is because I started lifting weights again. And I noticed while I was lifting weights yesterday, did I go to the gym yesterday? Today's Tuesday. Yeah, yesterday kind of took a toll on me, so I decided, all right, it's time for me to step back and slow down again. So here's to the Claus drink. Those that are always asking me if they can have this drink at night. Oh, no problem, Doriel. If they can have this drink at night, yes, you can have this drink at night, but there are still a few things you need to keep in mind. So let me go ahead and do the drink. C for cayenne pepper. For exfoliation, half a lemon is all you need. A for apple cider vinegar. And I'm still gonna take my shot on the side. As a matter of fact, I was reading last night that apple cider vinegar is really good for adrenal fatigue. Give me a second, let me actually get my apple cider vinegar. And clearly my phone didn't want to stay in one spot. So let's try fixing it again. Okay, so got my apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna take 1 tablespoon. You could put it in your drink. And again, please drink this 30 minutes before brushing your teeth, even at night, before you brush your teeth, before you go to bed. Do it 30 minutes before. I have a feeling my phone is sideways. Yeah, okay, perfect. Get some water, get my shot. So again, your apple cider vinegar could be in your cup. Me, I have to take my apple cider vinegar on the side because it irritates my enamel. Never take apple cider vinegar straight. Always dilute it like I did. Okay, especially for those that drink apple cider vinegar 2-3 times a day, you definitely want to be sure you dilute it. So A for apple cider vinegar, which stimulates your system. W for water, I have maybe about 7 to 8 ounces in here. Sweetener, I'm gonna skip the sweetener as I'm still working on the parasites cleanse but for the Claus drink. And those that are just watching for the first time, first of all, I'm sorry, my name is Donata Joseph, your virtual skin therapist, here to talk to you about all things mind, body, skin, and hair. Now, going back to the Claus drink, think of Claus, C-L-A-W-S-E. So we already did the C for cayenne pepper, L for lemon, A for apple cider vinegar, W for water. S for sweetener, you will use 1 tablespoon. It could be honey, it can be agave. Just be sure for the honey that is raw and organic. You want to use raw and organic for everything if you can, okay? So S for sweetener and E for extra virgin olive oil, organic, cold pressed. Yes, first cold press. 1 tablespoon. And you can drink that detox drink every morning. You can drink it, or if you need to drink it at night, you could drink it at night. For those that drink it at night, once again, drink it 30 minutes before you brush your teeth. If you drink it in the morning, the same rule applies. 30 minutes before brushing your teeth. For those that drink it at night, you want to be sure the first thing you do in the morning is drink 2 cups of water. So if you can even, maybe whatever jar that you're drinking your detox drink in, fill it up with water and have it next to your bed. So before you get out of the bed and go to anywhere you're gonna go to in the morning, drink that so that when you go for your first urination in the morning, you're flushing out the toxins that accumulated during the night. So please be mindful when you're doing this detox drink. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate throughout the day, period. But especially if you're doing it at night, you want to be sure you drink 1 to 2 cups of water. If you could do 2 cups, that's good. At least 16 ounces of water first thing in the morning so you can flush out the toxins that you drink during the night. So what I'll do, I like to keep this next to my bed because throughout the night I love to drink water. So that means I go to the restroom a ton of times in the middle of the night, but I keep this next to me. So first thing in the morning, tomorrow morning, I'm gonna try to drink as much water as I can. So the first time I urinate, I'm flushing as many toxins as I can. So yes, you can do this at night. For me, I skipped the honey when you guys saw me do the drink. I'm gonna put diatomaceous earth, and that helps with the parasites so it can grab them and bring them on down. And again, if you guys are watching for the first time and seeing this drink for the first time, I'm telling you, it has done wonders for me ever since I started detoxing. And I am on day 36 of my detox, and it has been amazing. My energy level has been normalized. I feel good. My skin is better. My hair, my mental focus. I just feel like the drink has eliminated toxins from my body and helped me kind of feel more together and more balanced. So I'm gonna go ahead and close the live stream shortly because I want to do a little meditation before I go to sleep. I want to do a little journaling because of my adrenals that are starting to act up. I want to take a little step back and kind of try to learn to start de-stressing before I go to sleep so I can sleep better. So announcements, you can watch my journey on YouTube. My videos post every day. I gotta go check that it's been up to par for the last 2 days. But my detox journey is on YouTube. My YouTube channel is called Donata Skin Food. And if you'd like to get the series for the Spring Detox series via email, and it's only the email subscribers that get access to that. You can click the link in the bio, and there's a picture of me meditating on the Great Wall of China. Click that picture and sign up for those emails, and you'll get the videos of the Spring Detox. Dorielle and I still need to pick a date to do the last part of Detox the Hair. If you were watching on Monday, you noticed we had technical difficulties, so we weren't able to do the demo. So I apologize about that. And those that have been watching my Instagram and live stream, you know I'm gearing up my mind mentally and emotionally to start a juicing cleanse. But if you notice, my pharmacy back here, I mean straight up pharmacy, it's just a whole bunch of fruits and vegetables. My fridge is full of fruits and vegetables. I have no more space, so now everything is kind of like trying to find a space on the counter. But I've been juicing. I've been having my family juice, my kids, my dad, and Demar and I have been working on some recipes that taste good but are nutritious at the same time. As a matter of fact, he got his first 2 orders tonight, so I'm so excited for him. He doesn't even know that people placed the order with me, so I got to tell him he has 5 juice orders, 5 juices he needs to make for 2 customers that he just gained tonight from his juicing. So I'm excited about that, because if he's excited to juice for other people, that means he's going to be more inclined to want to drink his juice and try to live a healthier life. So definitely, if you're interested in what he's doing, his Instagram is called Drink2Live, and I'm gonna try to help him on this journey, make him a little mini entrepreneur and get us all healthier when it comes to living right. So thank you guys for joining. If you have any questions and you're watching on a replay, you're more than welcome to send me a DM regarding the detox journey, regarding juicing, or whatever it is that you need help with, so that you can start feeling better, mind, body, skin, and hair. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to feed your skin from the inside out. Bye guys.